Hi, I'm Janine Matsuda, and I'm here with...
I'm Audrey.
And she's one of my 4th grade students. And we had so much fun doing a math activity this week that we wanted to share it with you. These are called Marcy Cook tiles, and they come with a set of 20 task cards. And you can either order them with the task cards or you can get them digitally from her website, and then you can just copy them off like this. And then I just staple them together if I do it that way. And it's $10 for the whole set. And you can just use it forever. Each set comes with a little tracking card, and we stole Pia's. We hope she won't mind. And when you finish card number 1, you color off card number 1. And you don't have to go in order, but you certainly can. They do get increasingly difficult as you go. And we would like to show you some of the examples of the problems that we've been doing. So wonderful Stanley is going to walk around behind us now, and we can start. All right, Audrey. We are not going to do a complete set because we just don't have time to do that, but we're going to show you some highlights of some sets that some of the problems that we loved in particular. This is card number 5. Now, materials that you need are you're going to need coins, because as you can see, the coins don't look good, and the fake coins are just even worse. So we actually use real coins, and I find that 4th graders are not proficient yet at pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. So this is a really great way to practice that. And then you'll need 2 sets of tiles, because this is called do double tiles. So I have a set of tiles and Audrey has a set of tiles, 0 to 9. You can buy these on Amazon. You can buy them from Marcy Cook's website. You can get pieces of paper and write the numbers on here. But if you do it correctly, every single tile will be used. And if you get to a place where you don't have the right tiles to go where you need it to go, that means you've made a mistake. So you have to go back and find that mistake. It's really self-correcting, although they do give you an answer sheet to help you if you need. All right, we're going to start with this one right here. In this case, you're supposed to count how many hearts you see, and the goal is not, I tell my students, the goal is not to count it up as quickly as you can, but to count it up as interestingly as you can, thinking as complex as you can. So Audrey had an interesting way to count up these hearts. Tell them what you did, Audrey, nice and loudly.
So first, I did 3 plus 3 is 6. Then I add these 4 up so it's 10.
It's 10. So we would go with our tiles. I would get a tile and Audrey would get a tile, and there we have. And we would move all the way through doing all the different clues. Right after 87, we would put an 88 here. Now we want to show you there's always 1 or 2 problems that you can't do right away. You just can't. This one says both digits the same. Audrey, why can't we do this right away?
Because it can be lots of options, like 99, it could be 88.
Too many choices. So then how do we figure this one out? When is the best time to do this problem?
Last.
At the end, usually at the very last.
But this is in a good spot, so I think we can do it.
If you went in order, it really is in a good spot. That's an interesting observation. Let's show them another few problems that we had so much fun with. This one, it looks like old-fashioned postage stamps, and we're supposed to find the total cost. And this is a vocabulary word that students need help with, total cost. It's a great review. All right, how did you calculate this?
So first, I counted this up, which is 17.
A little louder. 7.
7, I meant.
3 plus 4 is 7.
And then you do it exactly the same, so it's 14.
All right.
7 plus 7.
So let's
14.
get right here. Now, do we write numbers in these squares, Audrey, at all?
No.
It's
but
just,
if you want to,
you can make notes over here and then erase it, but this is all pencil-less, it's, but yes, we can annotate here beautifully, but you don't write the numbers in here, you just use tiles so it can be used over and over. All right, let's go to, that was card 6. Now, if we were doing this properly, we would do the whole entire thing and then color off number 6 before we would move on. But we're just kind of giving you a taste of some interesting problems. This is the last one we want to do. And they don't tell you that you need to find the total, but you have to assume that is it. And you have to see the interesting way Audrey did this one.
So first you add this up, which is 6, then plus 4, and then plus...
And what was 6 plus 4?
10. And then you add 8, which is 18.
Because this is another 6 and another 2.
Mm-hmm.
Now, that's how her brain did it. My brain would have done 3 times 6, which is going to be 18. Another brain may have done 6 plus 6 plus 6. So many different ways to calculate. So let's put the 18 there. Now, these were just some of our favorites from this whole set that we did, and we just wanted to show this to you. This one is called Do Double Tiles. This is the level 1. And then we all completed this, all of us did, and we're working now on Do Doubles, which is level 2. And then a more 6th grade set is called Double Tiles 2, the Roman numeral 2. So there are 3 different levels of these packets. And we just wanted to share them with you. It's from the Marcy Cook website, and we hope that you will give this a try with your students this week. I know Wonderful Stanley will put a link for you. And it's just a fun way to fill in some gaps and teach some strategies and learn some things like even coins. And we want to thank you for being with us today. Shall we say bye?
Bye!
I'm Janine Matsuda, and this is my 4th grade class.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.